Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kopale Juma, student at Google University. Today we are going to look at Microsoft Word Excel, and in simple terms, Microsoft Word Excel is a message that appears in cells when Excel encounters a problem with a formula, functions, or data, and this error helps you to identify issues that can be resolved by correcting the underlying cause and common types. I'm going to show you definitely how Excel errors looks like and how to encounter them too. And for instance, this is what my workings are. And first, like if you have Excel error where it is written hash with, and this one shows clearly like the number you're summing is not like it's missing in the cell where you are supposed to make the total out of it all. And by this, maybe in case we feel like a number there, maybe let me just put over 6, then you see automatically that in cell C when you add I mean it's equal sign, when you add a number, its error is corrected. It means that under is like you're summing a number that is a whole number and a missing letter, so a number and a letter can't be added. And we also have this error where it is written hash. This error shows you like maybe the cell reference where you're working at is too small to fit the value that you are working on, because the value is too big. And by doing that, you just merge the cell. You come here, you just merge it, open a bit, and there the error is corrected. By doing that, you find that if all your workings, whether it is too big or working, error shows this up. And you also have Excel error where you find that it's written hash value, and this one hash value it happens to a situation where in case maybe you're subtracting a whole number from a letter, and it tells you that hash value, it means the other letter is missing. And in case I come here to the where it is a letter, I'll remove it and maybe I add like let me just put there like 40 and I enter. So it clears that the error is already corrected. And we also have errors where like when you're dividing a number by 0, and it definitely shows you that maybe it is H division minus 0. It shows you that it's undefined, and you know exactly when you define a number by 0, it's undefined. And automatically you just come and correct it like from where it was. This one, in case we put here like from the formula, you come here, you remove the 0. Maybe let's put like something or 3, and then you press enter. You find that the answer comes to 25, and then by doing that you match it for the rest of the remaining cells. And that's how briefly I can take you through what an Excel errors are. We have more of them, like maybe in case also you have a missing, when you have a missing unorganized test in the formula, and it definitely shows you directly. Maybe in case we have a missing unorganized test or a formula, you find that it is written enter, and this shows us clearly that if it writes for you like it's hash value, that one shows that in the cell that you're working on, the active cell that you're working at, the value is not available. It means it is any HE. And for this reference like HRFM, invalid cell reference. And for the unorganized test of formula, it shows that it is hash X name, and this is how much I can take you through about Excel errors. And please like and follow for more updates like this to teach you more about Excel error. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.